Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to reset your forgotten password for Spendee account. If you've forgotten your password during login into Spendee, then you can simply follow the steps till the end of the video in order to reset to a new password. First of all, tap open the Spendee application from your app drawer and make sure to tap on the login with email option at the bottom of the screen. Now, tap on the Forgot Password link beneath the password box. Enter your email address associated with your Spendee account on the next page, and once you are done, tap on Reset Password. You'll receive an email with reset link to update your password. Tap on the Open Mail option and then select your email service provider, and once you launch Open Your Email inbox, you will then receive an email from Spendee team. Simply tap it open. If you don't find the email inside your inbox, you also want to check out the spam folder. Once you tap it open, tap on Reset Password. Select a web browser to continue with, and then it'll take you to Reset Your Password page where you'll need to enter the new password you'd like to update for your account. Confirm the password by re-entering it once again, and finally tap on Reset Password. And you have successfully changed your password for Spendee. You can now close this page and get back to the Spendee application, and then in the login page, enter your email address and then the newly updated password in the password tab, and tap on Login to log into your account with the newly reset password. So that is how you can easily reset your forgotten Spendee login password. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.